Guns, Germs, and Steel Summary. Chapter 2, A Natural Experiment of History. Book authors Jared Diamond. Overview. This chapter examines the impact of geography on the development of human societies. It explores the concept that different environmental factors and geographic features have played a significant role in shaping the course of history. By studying the varied environments and resources available to different civilizations, we can gain insights into why some societies have advanced more rapidly than others. Understanding these geographic advantages or disadvantages is crucial in explaining the inequalities observed across different regions of the world. Environmental differences. Geographic factors, such as climate, terrain, and available flora and fauna, greatly influence societies. The availability of wild plant and animal species suitable for domestication is crucial for the development of agriculture and sedentary lifestyles. Regions with a greater variety of domesticable plant and animal species had a head start in terms of food production and surplus, leading to population growth and the emergence of complex societies. Environmental differences also played a role in the development of disease resistance. Isolation from certain diseases allowed some populations to develop immunities, while others were more vulnerable to devastating epidemics. The impact of these environmental differences can still be seen in the disparities between societies today. Geographic barriers. Geographic barriers, such as mountains, deserts, and bodies of water, can both protect and isolate societies. Natural barriers provide protection against invasions and limit the spread of diseases, allowing civilizations to develop and flourish. However, they can also hinder the diffusion of ideas, technologies, and innovations between different regions. The presence of geographic barriers contributed to the development of distinct cultures and languages. The impact of these barriers on societal development can be observed throughout history. Continental differences. The shape and orientation of continents can influence the spread of domesticated plants, animals, and technologies. Eurasia's east-west axis allowed for the rapid diffusion of crops and livestock, facilitating the growth of large, interconnected societies. In contrast, the Americas north-south axis restricted the spread of domesticated species and hindered the development of complex societies. The differences in continental orientation contributed to the unequal development of civilizations across the globe. These disparities played a crucial role in shaping the course of history. Historical consequences. The varying geographic and environmental factors resulted in divergent historical trajectories for different regions. The availability of domesticated plants and animals allowed some societies to develop agriculture, leading to population growth, specialization, and technological advancements. The accumulation of wealth, surplus production, and the rise of complex institutions further contributed to societal development. In contrast, regions with limited resources or unsuitable environments experienced slower progress, fewer technological advancements, and less complex societies. These historical consequences have shaped the disparities in power, technology, and economic development among different regions of the world. Cultural diffusion. Geographic factors influence the speed and extent of cultural diffusion between societies. Regions with favorable geographic conditions facilitated trade, exchange of ideas, and technological innovations, leading to cultural advancements. The spread of domesticated crops, animals, and technologies often followed natural corridors or trade routes, connecting diverse societies. Diffusion of cultural practices, including language, technology, and social structures, played a crucial role in shaping the development of civilizations. The interplay between geography and cultural diffusion has contributed to the diversity and complexity of human societies. Long-term consequences. The geographic advantages or disadvantages that societies experienced in the past continue to have lasting effects on their development. Regions with favorable conditions were more likely to experience population growth, technological advancements, and economic prosperity, leading to further advantages. In contrast, regions with geographical barriers or limited resources faced challenges in overcoming their disadvantages, resulting in slower progress. These long-term consequences have contributed to the disparities in wealth, power, and development between different regions of the world. Understanding the historical and geographical factors that shape these disparities is crucial for addressing current global inequalities. Conclusion. The second chapter of Guns, Germs, and Steel highlights the significance of geography in shaping the course of history. Environmental differences, geographic barriers, continental orientations, cultural diffusion, and long-term consequences all play a role in explaining the inequalities observed among human societies. By understanding the impact of these geographic factors, we can gain insights into the reasons behind the disparate development trajectories of different regions. Acknowledging the role of geography does not diminish the importance of other factors, but provides a broader perspective on the forces that have shaped human history. Exploring these concepts helps us appreciate the complex interplay between geography, culture, and societal progress.